Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show the top 5 SUVs in India 2020. The first one is Vitara Breeza. Starting from 7.34 lakhs onwards. Its mileage is 17.3 to 18.76 km per liter. Its capacity is 1462 cc. It is available in both manual and automatic transmission. It is only available in petrol. It is good at in light controls make it easy to drive and Maruthi's vast service network. And already I did a review on this Vitara Breezer. I placed the link in description. And second one is Hyundai Creta. Starting from 11.77 lakhs onwards. Its mileage is 16.8 to 21.4 km per liter. And its capacity 1353 to 1497 cc. It is available in both manual and automatic transmission. And it is available in both diesel and petrol. It is good at in new generation model, comes with global design language and segment best features along with connectivity options from BlueLink app and available with the 3-engine gearbox option. If you want the review of this Creta, I already did one comparison video. In that I mentioned detailed review, so you can see the link in the description. Third one is Hyundai Venue. It is starting from 6.7 lakhs onwards. Its mileage is 17.52 to 23.4 km per liter. Its capacity is 998 to 1493 cc. And it is available in both manual and automatic transmission. And it is available in both petrol and diesel. First-in-class connectivity features by using BlueLink app, quality interiors coupled with long features list, and it is the only dual-clutch transmission in automatic transmission. And the fourth one is legend of all SUVs, that is Kia Celtos. Starting from 9.89 lakhs onwards. Its mileage is 16.1 to 21 km per liter. And its capacity is 1353 to 1497 cc. And it is available in both manual and automatic transmission. And it is available in both petrol and diesel. It is good at its design is attractive and it comes with superb features. And coming to fifth one is TATA Harrier. Starting from 13.69 lakhs onwards. Its mileage is 14.63 to 16.35 km per liter. Its capacity is 1456 cc. It is available in both manual and automatic transmission. And it is available only in diesel. It is good at in BS6 update and gets more power and automatic option. And spacious and dashboard looks premium design.